Alright, in this last video I show you how to make your graph. Make sure before you submit this Excel document or this Excel file to the hub, all of your you have everything rounded to 2 decimal places and the table has correctly loaded into Excel. Alright, so you'll go to Insert, Chart, you'll choose a scatter this time. We are going to right-click, select Data. If it preloaded with data, just select the data and hit remove. We're going to go Add, and we will do wavelength versus period. We chose the frequencies, so that's our independent variable, and 1 over frequency is the period. So in a sense, we also chose the period of the wave. So our x values, that's the independent variable, the period. So I'll click, drag, hold, selecting these. The y values, the average wavelengths. The wavelength in this case depended on the period, depended on the frequency. So hit OK. Hit OK again. You should have a linear relationship. Hit the green plus sign, add a trend line, more options. Make sure the green bars are selected. Scroll down, display equation on chart. There we go. Green plus sign again. You need to have axes, axes titled. The horizontal axis is the period in units of seconds. The vertical axis is the wavelength. And these were units of centimeters. So you have your slope. You have the units for slope, rise units divided by run units. You will submit this file, the Excel file, to the hub, and you will turn in the physical copy of the Word document to the basket, or if you're absent, you can also submit that to the hub or send me an email. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and study well.